Hello my money makers, you're not going to believe this. I came across this guy's YouTube channel and I also have to scroll through his Instagram page. This guy has millions of views just by destroying luxury cars. But hold on, it gets even crazier. Like, views are massive. He's not actually destroying anything in this video. They are completely AI generated scripts, AI generated videos, and they are so good. They mess with your brain in the best way that you keep imagining, how did they do this? Does it mean that these cars were actually destroyed? The beautiful thing about this video is that it looks so real. Now, this is their strategy. They designed that to hook you so that you can stop and watch the video 3 to 4 times. And with this, the algorithm is pushing it. Algorithm will think that, okay, this video have much value, is a valuable content, we need to push it. And with this trick that they use in this video, I want you to learn something. Know how to hook your audience that they keep imagining, and boom, your video has ended. They'll have to replay it and be like, let me know what actually happens in this video. The last time I made a post on my Facebook, I talked about it. This is one of the strategy. Not only will you make money on YouTube, you are sure of making money on TikTok, on Instagram, both on YouTube Shorts and posting it on normal videos. So today, I want to teach you step by step on how they create this kind of video. And if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur teaching you exactly how to make money legitimately with AI through content creation, which is the king of money making online. So why not? Go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop a post, you'll be the first person to see it. And first thing first, we have to come up with our image prompt, and that's pretty fine. I've prepared a list of prompts for you. Just this way, you can see it. Now let me explain something about this prompt so that you don't get confused. I have 2 prompts here. Number 1 is I say this or this. Number 1 is this and then or these. I say this or this. This first one, you can get a prompt by screenshotting any video that you see. Let me show you this way. Copy. Now, for instance, I come across this particular video here and I want to replicate it. I will just go ahead and screenshot it. As soon as you are done screenshotting it, what you should do is go to ChatGPT. This is your ChatGPT. Click on this plus icon here, upload it just this way, import it this way, exactly this way. So go ahead and paste that prompt, that first prompt. Please carefully examine the provided images in detail. Hit on generate. It will come up with different prompts for you. That is if you see anyone that captivates you and you want to recreate it. For an easy access, I have created a good prompt for you if you want to create it directly. Like, copy my prompt, go to ChatGPT and generate your own image. So let me do that as well and show you. Now, this prompt here is when you want to convert it to video. You ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt that you can use to bring it to life. Yeah, the prompt that can do the action for real. So this is it. Now, this second prompt is the one that I created for you. You can just go through it and work with any of these. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. The next thing is to convert it to image, and for this we are going to use Ideogram. Let's head over to Ideogram. Yes, for your image generation, you can use Ideogram, you can use Leonardo AI, and you can use Piclumen. But I tried the 3 of them and find out that Ideogram will give you best. Piclumen also tried as well. The 2 of them are competing, okay, but I prefer Ideogram. When you come to Ideogram, they will give you free credits for you to use their website. So head over to this place, paste your prompt just this way, come to this place. Now this is the aspect ratio. If you want it to be in a portrait format, you use 9:16. That is for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. You can use this 9:16, but if you don't want, you can change the aspect ratio. And I would like to say something here. If you are creating a long form video, you have to use 16:9. And to be honest, if you can create a long form video using this car destruction or car crash niche, I bet you'll be getting views as well. I know people that are creating long form videos and are getting a lot of views. I'm going to pick this 9:16 because that is what we are working on. You go ahead and click on generate. You can see it here, it starts generating. Now here is our image. Just open it this way. You can see it is very, very pretty. Let me show you the next one. Look at the next one. The next one, very pretty. So you go ahead and download it from here. Download. After downloading them, the next thing is to animate them. That is to bring it to life. That is to take the action exactly. For this, we are going to use Kling AI. Kling AI is a very nice video generation AI tool. Okay, they will give you 166 credits for a free trial, and make sure that you are generating it under 1.6. okay, if you click here, you will make a payment. Okay, as soon as you are here, you click on this place and then you bring the image. Now here is our image. This is what you do again. Go back to my Google Docs. That is where you need the prompt. I wrote, please provide a video prompt for all the prompt that would effectively animate the key elements of the images. So this is what you do. So go ahead and paste it here, just like this. Please provide a video prompt for all the prompts. Okay, I'm not using all the prompts. For the prompts that would effectively animate the key elements of the image, showing the object on top of the car, either smashing or destroying the car. You just hit generate. It will give you a video prompt. Now this is it. You go ahead and copy it this way and head over to Kling AI, paste the prompt. Now the prompt is here. Each of your generation will cost you 20 credits if you are generating 5 seconds, but if you are generating 10 seconds, it will cost you 40 credits here. And we are generating in portrait format. Just set it very well. If you want it to last more than 5 seconds, you can use your CapCut or any of your editing application to lower the speed. Hit on generate, it will start generating. Now I would like to say something here. Sometimes when you generate, it might not really give you exactly what you want. You keep reprompting it and selecting another one. Let me just show you the ones I generated before. It gave me this. Good. Now look at another one. You see that it will give me another thing. Do you see it? You keep generating until you get what you want. That's how it works. Now our video is ready. Come and see an amazing job that he did here. But listen, I have to try it so many times before I got this perfect one. So you go ahead and download it. The next thing is to bring it to life, to edit it, which is the sweetest part of it. And for this, I'm going to make use of CapCut, which is one of the easiest editing application. Now this is our CapCut. You go ahead and import that particular video that we generated. As soon as you import it this way, the next thing you will do is drag it to the editing platform, just this way. Good. So as soon as you get it here, the next thing is to bring your sounds. You can get sounds from CapCut sound effect, just this way. Click on audio, click on sound effects. Now come and search car crash, just this way. You will see a lot of sound here. Now I'm going to add this one, and then the next thing is you can also get your sound from Pixabay. Just head over to your Pixabay this way. Pixabay. That's where most creators get their sound. Now search on sound effects, click on it. You search for car crash. Car crash. You can see it here, I've made a search here. Now you have different sounds here. You go ahead and download them this way. Download. Look at this one. I have to get this one as well. So as soon as you download them, you head over to CapCut again and import those sounds. Import. I want to get this one. I also want to import another one. Import. Just this way. Now, one thing about the editing is that you have to be very creative. I want to reduce the speed of this video. Reduce the speed here. Just this way. I think I reduced it too much. I have to bring it up a bit. Yeah. So now I added two sounds here. I'm going to play it and walk around it. No. Here's the perfect place. So let me play it again. So okay, I'm going to cut out this part so that it can end with the video, just like this. Okay. So let me play it again. So as soon as you are done, you go ahead and export it. That's all. I hope you start this kind of niche. You can just determine to be posting only on shorts on TikTok and on Instagram and be seeing views and build audience and start making your money. See you guys. Bye.